Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a rare case of hematometra biometra with a fibroid after 9 years of menopause. The patient is a 60 years aged female and she is having menopause since the last 9 years, and after that she has developed this hematometra biometra. Affected portion measures, you will see the measures about 3.3 centimeter into 2.1 centimeter in the distal portion of the uterine cavity. There is partial atresia of the lower reproductive tract involving cervix and vagina due to inflammation and the presence of a fibroid in the middle portion of the uterus. You can see the atresia of the lower reproductive tract in the cervix and the vagina. The patient is a widow since 5 years. Now she is having heavy menses. Hematometra or hemometra is a medical condition involving collection of retention of blood seen in the uterus. It is most commonly caused by an imperforate hymen or a transverse vaginal septum in the young females. But in this case, the patient is having menopause, and this is the etiology of in this case is the atresia of the lower reproductive tract involving the cervix and vagina. You can see the affected portion. The hematometra is seen in the distal portion of the uterine cavity, and the size of the hematometra measures about 3.3 centimeter into 2.1 centimeter. You can see this is a fibroid. A mass is also seen in the middle portion of the uterine cavity. But inflammation and the presence of this mass has caused the atresia of the lower reproductive tract. Menopause is the time that marks the end of the menstrual cycle. It is diagnosed after you have gone 12 months without a menstrual period. Menopause can happen in the 40s or 50s, but the average age is 51 in the United States. Menopause is a natural biological process. Now again you can see the fluid level in the hematometra, the affected portion involving and unibladder, uterus, all are seen. This is you can see thick sludge, that is blood or pus in this hematometra. This is the mass and this is the cervix. This is urinary bladder. Now you can see the mass. Now there are 4 stages of menopause. Pre-menopausal stage. During the pre-menopausal stage of life, a woman is having her regular menstrual cycle in her prime childbearing age and has no noticeable symptoms of menopause. Then there is perimenopause stage, then menopause stage, and post-menopause stage. Once the menopause, that you have not had a period for 12 months and on into postmenopause, the symptoms may continue for an average of 4 to 5 years, but they decrease in frequency and intensity. Some women report their symptoms last longer. The most common symptoms include hot flashes, now you can clearly see the affected portion of the uterus having the hematometra has a fluid level, that is thick sludge, that is blood or pus. Now you can see the fibroid also in the middle portion of the uterus, uterine cavity, but the cavity is stenosed. Now, in most cases, postmenopausal bleeding is caused by issues such as endometrial atrophy, that is a thinning of the uterine lining, vaginal atrophy, fibroid, or endometrial polyps. The bleeding could also be a sign of endometrial cancer, a malignancy of the uterine lining, but only a small number of cases. The hormone estrogens and progesterone can increase the risk of fibroid. During menopause, body produces less estrogen and progesterone. As a result, the risk of new fibroid decreases. The drop in the hormone level may also help pre-existing fibroids decrease in size. The risk of developing fibroid decreases after menopause, but they can still occur. Fibroid need the hormone estrogen to grow. After menopause, women's estrogen level decreases dramatically, which usually reduces the risk of developing fibroids. Incidentally, this patient also has two other findings which I would like to show you. One, you are seeing the 2 stones in the gallbladder. You can see 2 stones, and 1 stone measured about 10 millimeter. The 7 is of about 7 millimeter. These are both the stones in the gallbladder. And the other finding is multiple large stones in the left kidney. You can see the left kidney and pelvic ciliary system is dilated, and multiple stones are seen in the renal pelvis of the kidney, and the cortical thickness is reduced. The risk of developing fibroid decreases after the menopause. Uterine fibroids are non-cancerous tumors that form within the uterus. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.